Hi dear students, here I prepared a tutorial for you to learn how to answer the questions in the questionnaires here in Moodle platform. So here we are on the social study class, and here we have practiced for the chapter 2, representations of the earth. So what you need to do is just to click on here. Before, I wanted to show you that I'm here in the estudiante role. So I am a student now. So this is how you see the platform. So click on here on the questionnaire, and then you have the questions. So at the beginning, I told you to write down these questions in your notebook. And I also told you that these questions are also in the book, in the social study book, in the work to do practice. So after each lesson. And I also told you to complete this questionnaire here in Moodle platform, right? So that's for you to practice. And some of you haven't done that. So that's why I have prepared this tutorial to show you how to do it. Okay? So you have the questions here, and here you see. Este cuestionario está abierto el lunes 18 de mayo. Este cuestionario se cerrará el jueves 21 de mayo. Entonces, lo he habilitado el día de ayer para que hoy esté disponible para que todos puedan ponerse al día. Los estudiantes que no han podido hacerlo o que lo han hecho pero no han escrito las respuestas en el cuestionario, porque hay varios estudiantes que le han dado clic al cuestionario, lo han visto y lo han cerrado. Entonces eso es lo que vamos a aprender el día de hoy. Entonces, here, continuar el último intento. And then you have here. This is how the questionnaire looks like, right? So for question number 1, so it doesn't show here the questions because it's me, I'm the teacher. But you will see the questions here, okay? And then you have to, first, it's just one answer that you need to do. And here in this white box, you have to write out number 1 and then write the answer for number 1, right? Whatever is the answer. And then in number 2, same. Then number 3, then number 4, and so on and so on. Okay? And then once you finish answering all the questions for the questionnaire, then you had to come here. Right? Terminar intento, you had to click there. You must click on terminar intento. Okay? Because if you don't click on here, you won't finish. So you won't be graded. Or you can also click here. Okay? So you can see here is just one question. You don't need to go to another question. You just have to write down here the answers, right? So remember that you have done the answers in your notebook and you also have the answers in your book. So you can just write down the same answers here, okay? Just to make it easier, you can just copy and paste it here. That's it for this tutorial, so I hope it's helpful for you. If you still have any question, please feel free to call me and text me on Hangouts. Bye everyone, take care.